Only one boy came outside. Maybe the children are home alone. I should watch this house for a while.
I know! Someone is inside the house! Is it the chicken man?
Luka, Lucy, Mom and Dad are going on a short trip tomorrow morning.
We will come back tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night? That feels so long. It's okay, Lucy. We can stay home together.
Luka, you are the big brother, but you're still a kid too.
So please be careful and don't do anything dangerous.
Okay, Mom. I understand.
If there is a problem, call us right away.
And if it's serious, call the police first. I will stay with Luka and listen to him.
Good girl. And remember, do not open the door for strangers.
We already ordered fried chicken for dinner tomorrow.
Fried chicken? Yay!
The delivery man will bring it in the evening.
You can open the door only after you check carefully.
Okay, I will ask who it is first.
Good. Keep the door locked after that too.
Mom, can you call us before bed?
Of course, sweetie.
We love you both. Stay safe at home.
We love you too. Have a good trip. Come back soon.
We will. Don't forget to lock the door after we leave.
Hello, fried chicken delivery.
Luka, the chicken is here.
Wait, Lucy. Let me check first.
Fried chicken delivery for house number 42.
Can you show me the order on your phone?
Sure, here it is. 1 fried chicken combo and 2 drinks.
Okay, please wait a second.
Here's your food.
Thank you so much.
Only one boy came outside. Maybe the children are home alone. I should watch this house for a while.
The chicken smells so good.
Let's eat together and watch TV.
Did you lock the front door? Yes. It is locked now.
Good. I feel safe.
The front door is locked. But maybe there is another way inside. I will check the back of the house. The back door is not closed well. Lucky me. I can get inside.
This chicken is so good. Yes, it has cheese and sausage. Mom knows what I like.
Mom knows everything.
Can we watch one more cartoon?
Yes, but only one. Then we clean the table.
You sound like Dad.
I am the big brother today.
They are in the living room. I must be quiet. First, I will look in the kitchen.
Luka, did you hear something?
Maybe it is from the TV.
I am not sure.
It is okay. Stay here with me.
Luka, I heard it again.
I heard it too.
It came from the kitchen.
Stay here. Do not go to the kitchen.
Are you going there?
No. I will only look from here.
Oh no, there are dirty shoe prints on the floor. What do you see? There are dirty shoe prints on the floor. Luka, those shoe prints are huge.
I know. Someone is inside the house.
Is it the chicken man?
No, the chicken man left. This is someone else.
Luka, I am scared.
Hold my hand. We must be quiet.
Where is the money? Maybe it is upstairs.
What should we do?
We go to our room. We lock the door. Then we call the police.
Should we run outside?
No, he may see us. Walk slowly.
My phone is on the sofa.
Do not go back. I have my phone.
Can it call the police?
Yes. Dad said it for me.
I hear something. Is someone here?
Luka, he heard us.
Do not speak. Stay close to me.
I want Mom.
I know. First, the police. Then Mom.
Is the door locked?
Yes, the door is locked. Hello? There is a thief in our house. We need help.
What is your address?
It is house number 42, Green Street.
Are you safe now?
Yes. We are in our bedroom. The door is locked.
Good. Stay there. Do not open the door.
My little sister is scared.
Tell her the police are coming.
Lucy, the police are coming.
Are they coming now?
Yes. We just need to stay quiet.
You are doing very well, Luka.
Please come fast. The thief is still inside.
We are on our way. Stay calm.
Luka, you sound calm.
I am scared too, but we know what to do.
Maybe the money is upstairs.
Luka, he is coming upstairs.
I know. Stay behind me.
I can see his shadow.
Do not move. Do not make a sound.
Why is this door locked?
He is at the door. Look at me. Breathe slowly.
Is someone inside?
I want to cry.
Do not cry now. The police are close.
Maybe no one is here. I will check the parents' room.
He is going away. Luka, you saved me.
Not yet. We wait for the police.
Mom, please listen. There is a thief in the house.
Luka, where are you and Lucy now?
We are in our room. The door is locked.
Good. Do not open the door. Stay there.
I called the police first.
Good job, Luka. You did the right thing.
Mom, I am scared.
I know, Lucy. Stay close to Luka. The police are coming.
Mom, are you coming home now?
Yes. Dad and I are coming back as fast as we can.
We will stay in the room.
That is right. Stay there and listen to the police.
Please do not hang up, Mom.
I am here, Lucy. I will stay on the phone.
Thank you, Mom.
You are both brave. Stay calm.
What is that sound?
Police! Stop right there! Oh no, put the bag down. Ugh! I did not take much.
Put it down now. Okay. You are under arrest.
Luka, is it the police?
Yes, but we still wait.
All right, pal, move it. Get in the car.
This is a mistake, I tell you.
Let's get the paperwork started. Luka, Lucy, it is safe now.
Can we open the door?
Yes. I am a police officer. The thief is outside now.
Luka, we are safe.
Yes, Lucy. We are safe now.
Lucy, are you okay?
Mom, I was so scared.
Come here, my sweet girl.
We came back as fast as we could.
I called the police first, Dad.
Luka did very well. He stayed calm.
Luka helped me. He told me to be quiet.
Thank you for taking care of your sister, Luka.
I was scared too, Mom.
That is okay. Brave people can feel scared too.
Being brave means you do the right thing.
Luka did the right thing.
Lucy did the right thing too. She listened and stayed quiet.
You both did well. But remember, never face danger alone.
From now on, we will check every door together.
Luka, can I sleep near you tonight? Yes. I will stay with you.
Thanks for watching our story. Please support our channel, English Time with Lucy and Luka. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.